Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Tang hapok hendiat sengi balasya thung kung chairman jong Meghalaya State Planning Board uba met baling do ulalum ya Jingïalang banyathir yatai kumnu ban ajing mod shaka sarkar jala hakabai dei be kampan roi kibat le nang ni shakmat khanang bat kentiu ya jala hagi babun kiliang hagajing akran bigilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ga Jingïalang kabalalong hakalai tarik uyayong arajar arpulai uba met baling do ulai thuru Shen gid khat jong Planning Board kinsei kundu yu menteri rangba jong jala konrat kongkal sangma man ajing mod kumnu ban pentulun nang ni shakmat yaki kam ki badang sateng.
Basically, we had called the first board meeting, which is basically introductory kind of meeting for the new members of the board. But what we understand as far as the notification the government are supposed to issue for other members also, that is yet to be done from the government side. So as of now, we have only 3 members and all other elected members. Myself being the chairman, beyond Stakurba, MLA from Mauplang as the co-chairman of the board, and Mr. Olansu is also the co-chairman of the board. So far, other like in the previous board, other official members also from government also will be there, the chief secretary, commission secretary, and so on. And other will be experts from different line who will also be appointed, and which the planning department and in consultation with the chief minister and the board chairman will notify those expert members, about 4 or 5 members, to be members of this planning board. Once we have a full-fledged board, and we will swing into action as far as the board is concerned to discuss about the different line departments and to suggest the government accordingly. That's what we see. We are here, not that just because we have been appointed as members or chairman of the board or members of the board. We are here to contribute to the welfare of the state. We are very committed, and I'm pleased to inform you that both the honorable members today who are the co-chairman of the board have, said that we are not here just to enjoy the perks and facilities of the government whom they have been appointed as the members of the board, but we are here to contribute, and we will ensure that we will do so in this year, being the first year, and because otherwise we will not have that joy for us to enjoy those perks and facilities from the government.
So can we expect a monthly recommendation or a quarterly recommendation from the planning board?
We will start maybe sometime again next week. We will have a review. We will meet the Honorable Chief Minister and discuss with him about the function of the board and how to make and to be more effective. We will suggest with him and discuss with him. Honorable Chief Minister is very busy with to complete the process of different appointments and notifications to be issued. And as of now, he is out of session. Once he's coming back, so we will address those issues. We will address our concerns. We will address our concerns as a party to the Chief Minister. But I'm very sure that those points which we will address will be taken into consideration. Because it is, at the end of the day, it's the welfare of the people of the state. All those points would be taken, whenever we have a next meeting with all.